Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In today's video, I'll show you how to stop apps from opening on startup on Windows 11 to help your PC start faster. Now let's get started. Step 1. Right-click on the taskbar. The taskbar is the bar at the bottom of your screen, and right-clicking it opens a menu with useful system options. Step 2. Click on Task Manager. Task Manager lets you view running apps and manage programs that start with Windows. Step 3. Click on Startup Apps. This section shows the apps that automatically open when your computer starts. Step 4. Select the app you want to stop from starting automatically. Choose any app you don't want launching during startup. Step 5. Click the three dots in the top right corner. This opens more options for managing the selected app. Step 6. Click Disable. This stops the app from opening automatically when Windows 11 starts. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the Touch to Click channel.